Hi, we're in Robertsdale, Alabama, and today we're going to be covering some of our packages that we offer for the Torque Monster. Now, the main thing that's included in each package is the 7 attachments. We have the 12 heck plates, the front eye holder and the back eye holder, the gland wrench set, the 2 2.27 ton lifting jacks, the 2 heavy-duty chain vices, and the push-pull plate and cylinder. So the first of our 5 packages that we offer is the economy. This includes the HTW50 torque head, the push-pull cylinder, and all 7 attachments. And this package is ideal for those who already have their own table and need some attachments to be customized to fit theirs. Next, we have the basic 50 package. This package includes the HTW50 torque head, a 20-foot table without a power unit, the push-pull cylinder, oil tray, 2 tool trays, hydraulic hoses, and all 7 attachments. Now we have the advanced package. This includes the HTW50 torque head, a 20-foot table, push-pull cylinder, an oil tray, a standard power unit, 2 tool trays, hydraulic hoses, and all 7 attachments. After that, we have the Premier package. This includes the HTW50 torque head, combination power unit and test stand, a 20-foot table, oil tray, the push-pull cylinder, 2 tool trays, hydraulic hoses, and all 7 attachments. And lastly, we have the Ultimate package. This package includes the HTW100 torque head, a 30-foot table, an oil tray, the push-pull cylinder, the standard power unit, 2 tool trays, hydraulic hoses, and all 7 attachments. If you're needing a quote or looking to purchase or have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us on our website or give us a call. All right, y'all, thanks for watching our video. I gotta get out of here. Y'all stay greasy.